Hi, we are very happy that ASGKCON 2024 was done in a very well manner, was conducted in a very good manner by executive events. In fact, we started with some other executive, some other event managers, and as they pulled out late, maybe towards the conference, because some other problem, technical problem, one of their local partners have backed or something. We had to depend on executive even in the last minute, and they happily agreed to take up this challenge. And I think it's only some 10 days prior to this event, executive events took over the whole show, and they have done it excellently well. Each and every aspect of this conference was well appreciated by every participant attended this meeting. The audio video was excellent, the timing, the arrangements, the entertainments, and the banners and everything was so good. We have high regards for the executive events, and we have gratitude towards them so that we could do this conference in a successful manner. Thank you.